I'm Dawn Michelle, and this is Makeup or Breakup Blog. And today I'm doing a hopefully fairly quick review of the latest that I received from none other than Allure Beauty Box. It literally just came in. I'm so excited. We're nearing the end of 2021, and wow, I can't think of a better way to end it on a more positive note. Smile, that lip color is everything. Let me show you real quick how it looks. It looks yummy. Okay. So we have another play card with beauty resolution, treat yourself. Of course. Of course, life's too short, right? Okay, so maybe I should put on my reading glasses so I will know what to read and what I am talking about. Love unboxings, don't you? Love my little reading glasses. They may not be much, but they do the job for me. Let's see. Oh, ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh! Charlotte Tilbury. I can't believe it. Charlotte Tilbury. I don't know why I had an S. Charlotte Tilbury Lip Cheat Lip Liner. How much is this? This is, you're getting a full-size lip liner, a $22 value from Charlotte Tilbury, the makeup artist who is famous for creating sexy, pillowy lips. Well, I don't really have that problem, but hey. For icons like Kate Moss and Jennifer Lopez, Tilbury, whose social media following is about as large as the entire population of New Zealand. What? Packaged her recipe for believably fuller, softer lips in this creamy, convenient, and easy-to-use pencil. You're getting one of these three gorgeous neutral shades, and we had to pick, I think, between Pillow Talk Original, Pillow Talk Medium, or Pillow Talk Intense. I don't remember which one I picked, although I do like Intense. But I think I picked, what did I pick? Come on. I think it's the regular one, if I'm not mistaken. They call it the Pillow Talk Lip Cheat. Okie dokie. The Reshape and Resize Lip Liner. That's nice. Okay. And this sells for $22 US. So essentially what this is it's a lip liner, ladies and gentlemen. Yes. So I'm really excited about that. I'll pull this out. This is what it looks like. Beautiful, non-assuming. You wouldn't think that such buzz has formed over such a product. But this just says Pillow Talk, so I'm wondering if this is the original. And that's the lovely point. It's creamy, goes on smooth. It feels a little heavy though as I apply it. So that was interesting. Now mind you, I'm filming with zero makeup on. I don't even think I applied moisturizer. You see all the redness around here? Yikes. That has to be neutralized with a quickness. The next thing that I received in here is from Beauty Stat Universal Pro Bio Moisture Boost Cream. Ooh. So let's see how this is what it looks like, the box. And why you'll love it. Cosmetic chemist Ron Robinson has made moisturizers and serums for the world's fanciest skincare brands, and now he's bottling his years of skin smoothing, glow-inducing knowledge into his own line, Beauty Stat. You're getting a full-size jar of his soothing gel cream, a $50 value. Ooh, that floods skin with hyaluronic acid and ceramides for a bouncy, dewy complexion. So they say it's richly hydrating, but light in texture, so it layers well with other products. You could use it on its own morning and night, topped with sunscreen in the morning or over serums or toners. It creates a nice smooth base for makeup without any pilling. And the retail price for this is $50 US. Interestingly, the first ingredient in here is water. Beautiful, love it already. Second ingredient, interestingly enough, dimethicone. Followed by glycerin. All very protective chemicals, ingredients, however you like to call that. So just letting you know, I'll post the rest of the ingredient list somewhere here or here. I tend to, just because. And this is about as big. This is $50, and this is full size. I'm like, okay. Okay, it's even, so this is it. This little container. Very non-assuming, almost clinical looking packaging. Very bland, not anything too exciting. It's readable, the packaging, but again, it's not sexy looking, it's clinical. So I'm gonna release this top so you can, ooh, it's very thick. It has a scent, but it's not like a flowery scent. Okay, and I don't know if you could, can you see that? I'm trying to get it to, it's very thick. Like, it's like thick. It's almost like petroleum jelly thick. And I don't mind, I'll just, like, this is actually like perfect since the weather is changing, that it feels very, like it's like a nice protective layer. Oh yeah. Like I would put this on if like, I think it's like freezing point that the weather is right now, 32 degrees. So yeah, this would be perfect. Like you're going out there so that the wind doesn't chafe at your skin. So you don't get like wind, you know, marks on your face. Because combined with that and the sunlight, yeah, because I don't want to get it any more red or blotchy or streaky around here than I need to. And usually that happens around here, the high points of the face, this and the nose and the mouth at times too. So I have to be careful with that. But yeah, it goes on okay. You know, a little goes a long way, and it's super thick. So some would argue that, oh, it's luxurious. To me, it feels more like I've seen that texture before for even hair care products that are like conditioners or balms. It's that type of thickness. It's short of being a full-on balm. It's that level right before it leaves the liquid site completely. So pretty nice. It does have a, I guess I would call it a chemical scent. It's not really a fragrance, but it dissipates once you put it on your face. So that's all that matters. And my face feels a bit plump. It feels smooth, it feels moisturized. My skin doesn't feel irritated, but it does feel like it has a thin layer of something on. So that's interesting. It's a bit heavy, but okay. Never heard of the brand, but I'm glad I'm able to try it. What's the next thing on here? Ooh, it's another serum. What? This is called Hero Cosmetics. Do I see that in here? Yes. This is called Hero Cosmetics. That's the brand, and it's their Lightning Wand. Why you'll love it. Okay. Tranexamic acid, and I will put the wording there for you to see it, is showing up in more and more brightening products for good reason. It helps even out skin tone and is a great fit for all skin types and complexions. This serum combines the trendy brightener with two veterans, vitamin C and licorice root. Well, okay, so in other words, there's more than one skin brightener in here. Like, okay, is that a little too much? I wonder. How you use it. Roll the roller ball over areas of hyperpigmentation like sunspots, the dark marks that tend to creep up after the blemishes heal, which is true. Sometimes you get a little like darkness in spots. Don't use it on an active breakout, it warns, just so you know. This is for treating the hyperpigmentation that pimples leave behind once they're gone, okay? The retail price for this wand stick is $20. Never heard of the brand. This tranexamic acid sounds all new to me. This is a picture of how it looks here in the book, just so you know. I'm curious. Anything for skin, I will look at. And it looks, wow, okay, it doesn't look as long as this one, so I'm assuming this is a sample, but this is what I got. Okay. And it has a little roller ball, just as it said it would. It doesn't have a fragrance but I couldn't help but anticipate that maybe it might have alcohol. So I'll put the ingredients list somewhere here or here as to what this contains along with that acid. But that's interesting. It also comes with a little, it looks like an information booklet. Yep, lightning in a bottle, they call it. Okay. So I will take that into consideration. So far, so good with the skincare selections, Allure. Love it, love it. And with companies I don't really know. So this, I like that. I get to try out different brands. Something, I mean, besides the skincare, hello. Allure is already hitting it out of the park as far as I'm concerned. Now we're moving on to a brand called Floss, which I have featured here before. And I think they've had several selections with Allure, maybe even another subscription box too. I'm not sure. I'm trying to get it to read on camera, but I have to put this on the, there we go, Floss. And this is their Floss Eyeshadow Squad in Just Peachy. Love peach. It's such a beautiful neutral for me that I can't wait to dive into this. Okay, so, okay, nice packaging. This is how it looks. I don't know if you can see that. Wow, very nice, very nice. And it has like a smoked, like almost a smoked glass effect here, but this is plastic. And I'm just gonna see if I can open it here without incidents. Beautiful neutral. 2 shimmers, 2 mattes. Gotta love. Easy to take with you. Get a day to night look out of it. I love it. I actually should also do like a quick, you know, oh, very smooth. Ooh, very smooth. So I'll just put these here real quick. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Ooh. It's an eye cream. This is from Neolastin Revitalize and Firm Eye Cream. Yes, bring on the eye creams, bring on the moisturizers, bring on the firmers and plumpers. This is what I'm talking about. Allure, I love it with the skincare eye cream. Oh, yes, bring it. This is a cute little packaging here. What is this about? This is the cashmere sweater of eye cream. So soft and comfy, you'll want to live in it this winter. Yep, just in time for winter. But better because it also smooths lines with peptides. Usually for body butter, this I don't think it's going to cover my whole body. Unless it's that rich that you only need a teensy little bit. It goes a long way down an arm or something. But this says perfect night's sleep, magnesium body butter. I've never heard of Neon. What do they do? Why you'll love it. For the coziest of pre-bed rituals, treat your arms and legs to this rich moisturizer, scented with relaxing lavender and sweet jasmine. They also add something here from, it looks like Cetaphil, love that company, the complete solution for sensitive skin, and they add a sample of their healing ointment. Yay, clinically proven to protect and soothe extremely dry skin, defends against 5 signs of skin sensitivity: dryness, irritation, roughness, tightness, and weakened skin barrier. Weather has a lot to do with it too. Amazing, love it. Practical, throw it in your bag and keep it moving. I have to say, Allure did it again for the December 2021 box. It was well worth the wait. What do you think of what I received in my box? Are you a subscriber to the Allure Beauty Box? Let me know in the comments section below. And if you haven't already, hit that like button, and even better, hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will know my next video will be up. Thank you so much for watching, and we're coming up to the end of this year, so I'll say in advance, happy holidays, as in happy Hanukkah, Merry Christmas, and happy Kwanzaa. And wishing you and yours a happy and healthy and safe holiday and new year. Take care, stay safe. Bye.